Now this radio is a time bomb. Right. Study it, Comrade Kim. Now listen carefully. It's full of C4, a lightweight explosive. And best of all, it's undetectable to the X-ray machines at airports. So, I'll explain how it works. To activate it, move all 4 switches, the ones on the front, over to the left. Then move the alarm function to the position marked radio. And that's it. You got that, Kim? And remember that after you've put all of the switches into position, it will go off in exactly 9 hours. And now, to help that time bomb, this stuff. And it's not whiskey. It's a liquid explosive, which, when placed next to the radio, increases the explosion dramatically.